Guten Morgen. Brew day. Now, I'm feeling a bit mingy, to be honest. And it's not even a hangover because I drank next to bugger all last night. But I've got a brew. Charge the kegs. Right, what are we doing today? So, some of you will know some silly thing started, Dave, Basingstoke Dave, on some Google Hangouts thing. Something about fixing his dead parrot. He was taking the piss, basically. So, then this dead parrot thing started. Everyone taking the piss. No fucking idea where it came from. Don't know why he started it, but there you go. So I've decided to do Dead Parrot IPA. What is in Dead Parrot IPA? 4.8 kilos of pale, it's Marisotta, and then just 250 gram of each Munich, Carapils and torrefied wheat. Hop hedge. Right, first work, just 5 grams of Columbus. And then at 15 minutes we've got 15 gram of each Citra, Simcoe, Mosaic. To flame out we've got 35 of Citra, 20 of Simcoe and 35 of Mosaic. And then dry hop, which I'm going to do early on, literally maybe day 3, 4 maximum, I think. Haven't decided, no idea actually. 50 gram Citra, 40 gram Simcoe, 50 gram of Mosaic. All pellet, happy days, easy peasy recipe. What's it going to taste like? Haven't got a fucking clue. Oh, we'll soon find out. And obviously I'll send one to Basingstoke Dave, goes without saying. So, I'll put a bit of footage up, either before or after this, so you can see. Grains are in, mashed in, recirculating, about 50 minutes left to go. I'll come back to you. It's margin. I need a coffee. I'm hanging. Spar gym, 9 o'clock, so 30 minutes left to go, and then once that's full I'm going for breakfast, leave that for half an hour, come back, stick my first work hops in. Ain't correct way of doing it, do I fucking care? No. Okay, back in a bit. All measured out, ready to go. With oiling, I put the first where it hops in. Didn't bother filming that because, well, you know, it's nothing fucking exciting. Did I show you? If I didn't, I'll show you. I got one of them. It's a bit big. Well, it's a bit big for this. I mean, it fits, but it just sort of sits in at the side. And then obviously when we chill, it's all a bit tight. But I'm going over to the new thing soon. But I'm still going to use it, give it a trial run today. Obviously, first where it hops didn't bother. I chucked them in, but Brew. So I'll come back because we got well, fuck all happening for 45 minutes. All in the last, fucking all the excitement is in the last 15 minutes. Now, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock. I'm not feeling brilliant. What do you think? Beer? Beer? Do I? I'll get your permission on Fair. See you in a bit. Okay, 15 minutes. 15 gram of each of Citra, Simcoe, Mosaic into my new hoppy, spidery, doesn't fitty thingy. Chiller's in as well. Fucking things are useless. One-time use. Fuck it. Chuck 'em. And then, don't know if I like them. Get Parrot flock again. I'll see it flame out. Flame out. Chill to 80. Final hop edition. 80 degrees. Flies everywhere. What have we got? 35 Citra, 20 Simcoe, and 35 of Mosaic. It smells fucking nice. You know what? I love Citra. I really love Mosaic. You can smell it. Beautiful. "20-minute hop stand." Alright, it's Friday night, 10 past 8, just got in from work, second beer already, fucking nice one. Don't swear, sorry, yeah, I'm gonna take it easy on swearing. Looks murky as fuck, that, doesn't it? Stop! God, did it again! That's hop sniffer. Let's go. Cindy. Not Cindy. I've got Cindy on my mind. It's still bubbling away like a bad boy. And we're on what, day 5? I was going to dry hop at day 3, but it was just going ballistic, so I've decided to I've decided to dry hop today. Right, so what have we got? Can't remember. Just got the hops out the freezer. Simcoe, no, Citra, 50 gram Citra, 40 gram Simcoe, 50 gram of Mosaic. I'm going to measure it, make sure there's enough, because do you know what, my hops are never right, but hey ho, I'll measure them. Back in a minute. It's close enough. It's not a million miles off. You don't need to see me chucking it in the bucket because you've seen it a million times. So I'll do that and I'll come back to you. Fa-poing! So this is it. So it is a grain to glass. Only been in the keg for 4 days. Yeah, 4 days. So, you know, could do with it a little bit longer. Colour wise, slightly darker than I expected. Not clear. I did cold crash it, but it's not clear. But it is at 4 degrees in the keg, so. But none of my beers are particularly clear. I mean, I don't give a stuff about that kind of thing. Lovely little head, but you would expect it to be because it's off the keg. Smells absolutely gorgeous. Aroma, you can smell more Citra than anything. Yeah, for sure. Let's dive in. Let's make this a quick one because I've got tea on. Lovely. Slightly more bitter than I expected, but that's fine. I've not got the recipe in front of me, but it was minimal bittering hops, like peanuts.
You'll see, because you just watched the video. And then I think we were 15 minutes flame out and dry hop. Very nice. Very juicy. The Citra's there. Mosaic shining through. You know, absolutely shining through. Lovely, juicy, fruity, little hop explosion. Superb. Like I say, not a massive bittering, but that's fine. This is how I like it. You know, I like it fruity, baby. So yeah, am I happy? Yeah, absolutely delighted. Spot on, spot on. Oh, Dead Parrot IPA. Yeah, I can taste the beak. In fact, I know what it tastes like, because that's what Matthew said yesterday, because we had a sneaky little preview yesterday when Matthew Calibre was here. Very nice to meet him too, lovely guy. It's not true what you say about him, not true at all. Well, some of it probably is. Guys, thank you very much indeed for watching one of my another of my grain to glasses. I think it's the way I prefer to do them. That's probably what I'll continue to do. Popping away in there, not in there, in there, you can't see it, is my salted caramel chocolate milk stout. And I'm praying, in my head, I know what I want it to taste like, exactly. And the mouthfeel that I'm trying to achieve. Now, it's the first ever dark beer, black beer, that I've done. Never done a stout, never done a porter, never even done a black IPA. So, this is the first for me. So, is it likely that it's going to be right the first time round? Highly unlikely. But, we'll soon find out. So, I imagine that's going to be kegged within 2 weeks, maybe. Get it carved up, light carbonation, and then we'll do another grain to glass. So thank you very much indeed, guys. Bing bong, over and out, and I'll see you soon. Alright.